The platypus is an extraordinary creature, a true marvel of nature. Imagine a small egg-laying mammal with the bill of a duck, webbed feet like an otter, and venomous spurs on its hind legs. It's endemic to Australia and is equally at home in the water and on land. Despite its duck-like appearance, it's a skilled hunter, using its bill to detect electrical signals from its prey. Males possess venomous spurs for defense, and platypuses have no stomach, with their gullet connecting directly to their intestines. These nocturnal, elusive creatures are unlike any other mammals, making them a unique wonder of the animal kingdom.